Which would you rather have? The gas or the battery? So this is our mower. This is what we're using, done with the gas. We've had this lawnmower for about 4 years now. So what are the advantages of this mower? Well, if you run out of gas with a conventional ice mower, internal combustion engine, this particular battery powered one, you just walk it into the house, plug it into the charger, wait, have something to drink, get refreshed, and then when it's done charging, you put it back in and get back to mowing. Back in the day, if the mower ran out of gas, I'd have to get the gas can, get in the car, put in the trunk, which I don't like to do because then it's on carpet, cause static electricity, make a spark, back of your pickup truck, but you're going all the way into town to get gas, and gas is kind of high right now. So this is a much easier alternative, you know? Don't have to get in the car and use up valuable time that I could be doing either relaxing or mowing just to go get more fuel. So this saves you time, saves you money, and to charge it, it costs about 6 to 11 cents to charge this, depending on your kilowatt hour. Now this lawnmower is a self-propelled Ego, so this is the throttle control. But since we've owned it for 4 years, we've encountered one issue. The self-propelled part only works on full blast. And I figured out there's something in this wiring. So to start it on, you have to press the button, pull this back. Now it's on. When you let go of the bell handle, it turns it off. And of course, it's self-propelled, you want to see that. So if you watch the wheels, okay, I'm going to power up the mower. Look at this. I got no throttle control. It's broken. And this here is the accelerator pedal. This is a throttle control, so it'll accelerate, but it has no slow or fast. It's only one speed right now. So I gotta get that warranty, but I'm gonna fix it myself. And this has a good warranty, and if I go and fix it myself, it voids the warranty. But we've had it for 4 years, so there's only, really technically, it's a 3 or 5 year warranty on either the battery or the machine. So I'm just gonna fix it myself. Now watch what happens when I have it low like this. I actually have throttle with speed control. See, it's low. Watch my hand over here. I can speed it up. So the issue is in this wire loom. There must be something within the wire that's either not working or it's whatever. I'll figure it out once I open it up. But to mow, you don't really need the self-propelled. It's a light mower, it's easy enough to work, and it gives you a good workout. But I can tell you one thing, your legs will definitely get a good workout when you're tackling a lot of lawn. It's got a light. If you're mowing in the dark, it's got a light right here. There's a button. You press this button back here, and the light turns on. But it uses your battery while you're mowing, so I don't really use a light. Okay, so now let's just say you're done mowing. What do you do next? Here's what I do. Take the battery out. Put the battery off to the side. Then break this down. Take this, go down like that. Then I lift this up, and there'll be grass in here. And I grab my broom and I clean it out. Because if the grass is slightly wet, it'll cake up in here, and then you'll have a layer of grass, and you don't want it to, you know, keep building up on you. So you want to keep this clean. And to get back to mowing, this goes down, this goes up to the height you want. Battery right here. Stick it in there. Oh, this is too high. Definitely got to make it lower. Get my protective gloves on, garden gloves, and then let's move.